How you going? It's Phil here at Aussie Garage. I'm here with Kelvin. Mate, tell us about your ride.
It's a 2006 model HSV with the fibreglass canopy based on the Holden By Design that came out in the year 2000.
Awesome, awesome. So how long you've had this vehicle for?
Well, I've had this particular one for about 3 years.
No, nice, nice. Is this the first Sandman that you've had?
It's not my first. It's my first Sandman, but not my first panel van. I had a HR, a HT, a HG, and a HZ.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Is there any one of them that you regret selling?
Yeah, the HG.
Yep. Awesome, awesome. So obviously you're part of West Coast Banners, mate. How are you enjoying it so far?
Yes, it's a good little club, growing day by day. I think we started with about 35 members. And I think it's getting close to 80 now.
No, awesome, awesome. So you got any other events coming up shortly?
Yeah, I'll just keep an eye on the calendar, what's coming up, and I'll obviously attend.
Yep. No, awesome, mate. Well, thanks for talking to us here at Aussie Garage, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Phil.
Thanks, bud.
Thanks.